Welcome to HH Beauty Garden, where we turn ordinary moments into extraordinary blooms. If you're a gardening enthusiast like me, you know there's nothing more rewarding than growing something beautiful from scratch. So if you're ready to learn the secrets to propagating stunning roses right at home, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you don't miss any of our gardening adventures. Today, we're unlocking the secret to propagating roses with just a few simple kitchen ingredients. You won't believe how easy and effective this method is. Look at these beautiful roses. Let's give them a new life and grow a whole new plant from a single branch. First things first, we'll need to prepare our cuttings. We'll select healthy rose stems and cut them to about 15 to 20 centimeters long. Be sure to remove all the leaves from the stem. Now for a crucial step, make a clean 45-degree angled cut at the base of the stem. This diagonal cut significantly increases the surface area for water absorption and future root growth. After you've made your cuts, remove any wilted petals to focus the plant's energy on rooting. Now, let's talk about the key players in our propagation recipe. Cinnamon powder, the natural defender. Our first secret ingredient is simple cinnamon powder. While many people only think of it for baking, in the garden, it's a powerful tool. Antifungal and antibacterial properties. Cinnamon acts as a natural disinfectant. When applied to our rose cuttings, it helps protect against common issues like fungal infections and bacteria that can cause the stem to rot before it has a chance to root. Natural rooting hormone. While not as potent as commercial products, cinnamon can also stimulate root growth, giving your cuttings a gentle boost to get started. We'll create a special bath for our cuttings by mixing a spoonful of cinnamon powder into about 100 milliliters of water. Let your rose branches soak in this solution for about an hour. This gives the stems plenty of time to absorb the protective and stimulating properties of the cinnamon. Tomato, the nutrient-rich powerhouse. Next up is our star ingredient, the humble tomato. Don't let its simplicity fool you. This fruit is a hidden gem for gardeners. Natural plant hormones. Tomatoes contain small amounts of plant hormones like auxin, which are vital for stimulating root development in cuttings. Initial nutrients and vitamins. They are also packed with vitamins such as A, C, and E, along with essential minerals. These nutrients provide the initial food your cuttings need to recover from being cut and start growing healthy roots. To prepare our rooting solution, we'll chop up 1 tomato, add it to a blender with about 300 milliliters of water, and blend until it's a smooth liquid. Next, we'll strain the mixture to get a clear solution, perfect for our cuttings to drink up. Honey, the sweet stimulator. For an extra boost, we'll add our final secret ingredient, honey. Natural rooting stimulant. Honey contains enzymes and antioxidants that help kickstart root growth. When combined with the tomato solution, it creates a powerful, all-natural rooting formula that significantly boosts the success rate of your propagation. Add about a tablespoon of raw honey to your tomato solution and stir until it's fully dissolved. Putting it all together. Now it's time to set up our propagation station. Glass bottles are perfect for this, as they won't react with our solution and allow us to monitor the root development easily. Carefully pour your tomato and honey mixture into the bottle. To keep the cuttings stable, We'll use a sponge as a support, gently inserting the stems through it into the bottle. Cover the entire setup with a plastic bag to create a mini greenhouse effect. This helps trap humidity and protect your cuttings from a dry environment. Remember to open the bag for at least 30 minutes a day to give the plants some fresh air and allow them to photosynthesize. Then seal it up tightly and place your bottle in a cool spot away from direct sunlight. Now, all that's left is to be patient. After about 2 to 3 weeks, get ready to be amazed. The big reveal. Just look at that. From a distance, you can clearly see healthy white roots emerging, and the new shoots are so vibrant. It's truly amazing what you can do with just a tomato and a little honey. Once the root system is well established, it's time to plant them in a pot with a mix of soil and coconut fiber in a 2:1 ratio. This combination provides great drainage and a nutrient-rich environment for your new plant to thrive. For a stronger start, you can cut off any remaining flowers so the plant can focus all its energy on developing its new root system and foliage. Thanks for watching and happy gardening. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to HH Beauty Garden for more tips and tricks. See you next time. Let me know if you'd like a version formatted for a YouTube description, video script, or blog post.